Hi, good morning everyone. Let's get started with the next topic in this training video, which is on SAP Help Portal. This is basically a central place for SAP documentation. Okay, in the screen you are seeing the Help Portal, which is the website as help.sap.com. Okay, in this website what you are seeing here is you are seeing the different documentation which is available for different flavors of SAP. So we will start with something called SAP NetWeaver. Okay, if you see SAP NetWeaver here, if you just click on the NetWeaver, okay, on clicking on the NetWeaver you will find the documentation related with the different categories within NetWeaver. So I'll go through them briefly, but here you can see SAP NetWeaver. You can see NetWeaver Platform, NetWeaver Business Warehouse, NetWeaver Cloud, C. Then you have Mobile, NetWeaver Process Integration, Process Orchestration. Then you have things like MDM, Landscape Virtualization Management. Okay, then you have things like NetWeaver Gateway. Okay, then you have Sybase Adaptive Server Enterprise, then MaxDB. Okay, so these are the different categories within SAP NetWeaver. Okay, let's go into the NetWeaver platform. Okay, in the NetWeaver platform you will have things started from NetWeaver 2004. Then came NetWeaver 7.0. After that SAP rolled out NetWeaver 7.0 with EHP1, that is the enhancement pack 1. Then NetWeaver 7.0 enhancement pack 2, NetWeaver 7.0 enhancement pack 3. After that SAP rolled out the product called NetWeaver 7.3, and now the latest version is the NetWeaver 7.3 enhancement pack 1, that is NetWeaver 7.3 EHP1. Okay, so if I go into this 7.3 EHP1, here you can see the different documentations which are available for NetWeaver 7.3. Okay, you can just go straight away to this documents. Here you can see things like what is new in the release of 7.3 EHP1, how to perform installation and upgrade, security information, administration work, development information, how to integrate with HANA. Okay, so these are the different informations or the documentations which is available for the product SAP NetWeaver 7.3. So if I click on installation and upgrade information, here you can see the different documents which is prepared by SAP for the installation of NetWeaver 7.3 EHP1. You have the master guide, you have the installation guides, you have upgrade guides, you have update guides. Okay, then the additional information. Then next is about the security information. Here we can see the security guide. Then for system administration and maintenance information, you have the technical operations manual, operational information, maintenance information. Okay, then application help. You have help library, you have function oriented view, developer guides are there. There is a document for how to integrate with HANA. Then you have product availability matrix, sizing information. Okay, so all these informations is available if you go to help.sap.com. so that is about the help portal for SAP. Okay, so let me take you through the rest of the stuff apart from NetWeaver. Here you can see this is the business suite. Okay, then SAP for different industries, business one, SAP NetWeaver we just saw, then SAP Analytics. Let me go into the analytics because this is a broad topic. Okay, so just to give you an idea about what is this analytics is, so let me go down. Here you can see the different products. Okay, the key products of them are business objects BI, that is business intelligence. Then you have EPM, enterprise performance management. You have analytics applications, enterprise information management. Then you have For security and compliance is the product governance, risk and compliance, that is GRC. Okay, if I go to the analytic application, okay, in analytic application, let's see which are the key products. Okay, so under the analytic applications, if I click on this particular page, which will take you to the different components within analytics. Okay, so let's go to the English language. Okay, so this will show you the different documents are available within analytics. Okay, so here you can see under analytics all products. If you click all products, here you can see the different products which are available within analytics. You have analysis edition for Microsoft Office, analysis edition for OLAP, then BI on demand, BI platform, BPC, that is business planning and consolidation for Microsoft. You have business suite, crystal report. Okay, so all these are there, and here you can see the different versions of them. Okay, so that is about the analytics part. We just saw different products in analytics, and if you see here, these are the different guides which are available. Okay, administration guide, and okay, if you just scroll on the right side, it will show you that how you can download these documents. Just now, say for example this, if you click here, you will be able to download the administration guide for Business Objects Design Studio. So this is about how the help portal is organized. Then here you have SAP in-memory computing. If you go to the SAP in-memory computing, you will see the different products for in-memory computing, including SAP HANA and other products. Okay, then you have application lifecycle management. If I click on application lifecycle management, here you have products like on the left side you can see CTS plugin, you have solution manager, you have landscape transformation, you have test accelerator and optimization, that is TAO, you have TDMS, that is test data migration server. Okay, so these are the different products under application lifecycle management. You can go and look at the documents for each of them, whichever you are interested in. Then SAP has one product called SAP Best Practice, where it's basically the best practices is defined for different products. It's basically a different product itself, but if you install, all the best practices gets there. Okay, then we have on-demand solutions. So these are the on-demand solutions. Okay, then you have mobile. If you click on mobile, you will see all the different products and apps under mobile. Okay, and you can see the different mobile platforms. If I click on the mobile platform, you will see different. Okay, you have information about the Sybase Unwired platform. Okay, so that's all I wanted to cover in this particular training video on help.sap.com, that is SAP's help portal. Thanks for joining and have a nice day. Bye bye.